Look what we found. One side. Nice.
We hardly ever find sheds.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
And he was just right here. In the,
right here.
Right.
Yeah, we lost the tree. We didn't lose the feeder though. I'm gonna look around, see if we can find the other one. Maybe. Two of them. There was 3 more. Well, we got a tornado watch. You can see we're right here up to the lake. That's north. And the bad weather's coming in that way. So it darkened up. I'm gonna go jump in the shower real quick before it gets here. And if we have to, there's a hidey hole. It's the storm shelter, so we'll take Cooper and that's where we'll go. Alright, stay tuned. Might get rocky tonight.